Hi there, welcome to a drawing tutorial. Today we will see how to draw a simple cello. So here you can see that I'm using my black pen to draw a simple cello. Now I'm using my ruler. I have drawn two straight lines. And now let's connect them. I'm using a thin black pen to draw some straight lines. Now I'm making these lines a little longer. It's looking like a funnel, but it's not. Now I'm marking this area. My drawing is done. Now for the coloring, I'm using my brown pen. I'm using my brown pencil. I'm using my orange highlighter pen. Wow, it's looking amazing. Thank you so much for watching.